Hi there, this is Braden from Chimney Doctor. I want to go over an inspection that we did in Bel Air. This is something that most homeowners would never notice without a proper inspection. Here, the flue pipe, which is the passageway for the heat and gas, stops short below the chase cover. This is a pretty serious problem, and I'll explain why. So, the chase is a frame structure around your chimney, and the chase cover is the metal lid that sits on top to keep water out. So when the flue pipe doesn't extend above the chase cover, that could lead to heat and gas being released out into the wood frame chase, causing the wood to become charred. And there's a process called pyrolysis, which is when a wood or other combustible material is exposed to high temperatures for a long period of time, and its combustion point becomes much lower. This could lead to a fire within the chase, which is a very serious fire safety concern. This condition would not have been noted without a proper inspection, and in this particular instance, it is absolutely critical that this be addressed before the fireplace is in use, as this is a pretty serious fire safety concern.